people of the interwebs, specifically low-carbers and ketoers of the interwebs. My name is STEFFIE Harner. I gotta tell y'all about this magical place full of zero-calorie gelatinous goodness. It's called Konyaku Park, located in Gunma Prefecture. That's about a 4-hour drive away from Tokyo. And yours truly, Maya Sauce, Stephanie, and Josh are about to konnyaku it up.
Alright, so if you don't know what a konnyaku is, it is like kind of like a gelatin that's made out of potatoes, and it's super fibrous, and it has very little carbs, so it is keto. And in the US it's kind of known as miracle noodle. Yeah, and there's a whole giant theme park in Japan in Gunma just made for konnyaku. Where are we? Konyaku Park! Oh! So right here you have konnyaku ice, like konnyaku ice cream. Looks like they have like azuki flavored, salt flavored, mango flavored konnyaku ice cream, vanilla strawberry, and chocolate coffee, and other miscellaneous things. I'm actually really interested in trying it. Look at this vanilla milk cheese. Hell yeah! Maya has found the jackpot of konnyaku jelly. As someone who does like low carb and keto diet in Japan, this is kind of like heaven, because I eat konnyaku like at least 4 times a week because of how low carb it is. And this is a whole freaking shop that is just konnyaku. Bruh. Alright, low carbers and ketos of Japan, like this is the aisle for you. You got your konnyaku skewers with some tare sauce. Here you have low carb, zero sugar ramen. Zero sugar udon. Free buffet.
We got a free buffet ticket.
Oh hell yes.
That's, oh my god. Right.
Jelly Factory Zone.
Oh hell yes.
What does that even
Back to the
mean?
yes.
What does that even mean?
Jelly Factory Zone.
That is the face of conviction. So we're really confused because this buffet that we're going to is free. I think it's because of the GoTo campaign, but hey, gotta love it. Gotta love free stuff. This is free. Free.
Is this with this? I have to got it.
Konyaku sauce yakisoba. So this is like low carb yakisoba. Alright, so this is shirataki tempura, and I've never actually had this before. So that would be interesting. This is liver sashimi konnyaku, like fake liver konnyaku. This is really up my alley of cooking. Alrighty, everything konnyaku. I'm really excited for this konnyaku liver. This is konnyaku tempura. It has like a bounce too. Konnyaku kimchi. Konyaku yakisoba, and then the fake meat here is, I think this is aburage, like fried tofu.
I believe.
There's definitely some sugar in that sauce, but it's pretty dank. D-A-N-K. This is konnyaku sashimi with like a yuzu sauce. Alright, scale from 1 to 10. How's this konnyaku?
It's so good. I mean, it's so good.
The tempura is so nice. Tempura. I expected nothing, but I was blown away. Like, this is amazing. Oh my god.
I'm very intrigued by this konnyaku hamburger. It's 500 yen. But I'm just gonna freaking try it. Look at all the konnyaku jellies! They even have konnyaku bread. Like, what does that mean? So they sell these in Tokyo, but I haven't seen these flavors, so I'm about to go get them. So the thing with these konnyaku jellies, so it's like 0 calories and it's sweetened with erythritol first. I think there's also sucralose in this. Yeah, there's a bit of sucralose in this, but it's mostly erythritol, as you can see right there. So it's not so bad in the spectrum of Japanese sweeteners. This is like 5 bags of konnyaku rice for 300 yen. That's $3 for this. Like, hell the F yeah. This is something I've never seen before in my life. So I guess this is like a drinkable onigiri.
Like what?
800円で1枚これがプレゼントになる。はい。はい。
Konyaku for all. Now let's get some konyaku ice cream. Look at this baby. Oh my gosh, konyaku ice cream. Let's try this konyaku ice cream. It doesn't really taste like konyaku, and it doesn't really taste like sweet potato either. It just tastes like vanilla ice cream. All right, there you have it, folks. All right, if you're doing keto or a low-carb diet, want to stuff your face while exploring Japan, this is the place for you. Like this video if you want to see more keto low-carb tips. Comment below if you have any bizarre spots in Japan you'd like me to check out. This is only one pit stop we went to on our Gunma trip. There's more. So hit that subscribe button, bruh.